Hello students, today we will derive the formula for magnetic field on the axis of current carrying circular coil. In last lecture, we have derived the formula for magnetic field at the center of current carrying circular coil and magnetic field due to current carrying straight conductor. Okay. Now students, this is your circular coil of radius A and the axis. Axis means a point passes through the center of coil. Okay, so we will take a point P at a distance x from the center of the coil O, where we have to find the magnetic field. Okay, now we draw, if it will take two current element dl, it's a two ends. Okay, at a distance r, just like a tangent. Okay, now and we know that the angle between radius and tangent is 90 degree. So here we will take two elements dl. Okay, so first we have to find the magnetic field due to this current element. Okay, so from Biot-Savart law we know that the magnetic field due to current element dl at a distance r, that is mu naught upon 4 pi I dl sin theta upon r square, and in vector form dl sin theta. Okay, so from Biot-Savart law we will get dB equal to mu naught upon 4 pi I dl cross r upon r cube. Now dl cross r, that is cross product, so dl into dr sin theta. Here theta means this angle that is 90 degree. Okay, so sin 91, so dl cross dr equal to dl into dr. So in place of dl cross dr we have to write dl into r. Now we have to find the value of r. So in this triangle here, r equal to, but from Pythagoras theorem, this r equal to r square root x square plus a square. So r square equal to x square plus a square. So from in this formula we will get dl upon r divided by r cube. So the net value mu naught upon 4 pi I dl upon r square. So dB equal to mu naught upon 4 pi I dl upon r square, and now we have put the value of this r square here. So mu naught upon 4 pi I dl x square plus a square. Now the magnetic field dB and dB dash both are equal. Okay, so dB dash and dB both are equal in magnitude. Now these two components, magnetic field dB and dB dash, resolve into two components. First component along direction of x-axis, so dBx, that is dB cos theta, and dBy, dB sin theta. Similarly, due to dB, this component dB dash cos theta and dB dash sin theta. Okay, so here magnetic field resolve into two components, dBx along the x-axis in horizontal direction, dB cos theta, and dby, dB sin theta. Now this dB dash is equal to dB, both are equal. dB equal to mu naught 4 pi I dl upon r square. Okay, since now here look, dBx, these components, okay, both are in the same directions, but dby, one in upward and other is in down direction. So these two components dby and dB dash y both are equal in magnitude but opposite in direction, so they cancel their effect each other. Okay, so now what we will do, we have added all the components along the x direction. So for this we will integrate or summation. Okay, so we add all the components along the horizontal direction. So students, now dB equal to dB dash mu naught upon 4 pi I dl x square plus a square. Now here dB x dB dash cos theta. Now we have to find the value of cos theta. Here this angle is 90 degree. Okay, so cos theta equal to base upon hypotenuse. So a upon r, and now we put this a upon r here, and r equal to root x square plus a square. So it will become mu naught upon 4 pi I dl x square plus a square to the power 3 by. So dbx db cos theta db equal to db dash mu naught upon 4 pi I dl x square plus a square. Now dbx db dash cos theta and cos theta equal to a upon r. Now put the value of cos theta. Now put the value of this db dash and this cos theta here. So we will get dbx mu naught upon 4 pi I a dl x square plus a square to the power 3 by 2. ओके, नाउ अब इसे हम इंटीग्रेट कर देंगे. So when we integrate this value, we will get b and mu naught upon 4 pi I a x square plus a square to the power 3 by 2 and integration of this dl. And this dl means the circumference of this coil, that is 2 pi a. Okay, so this integration of dl equals to 2 pi a. Now put this value here. So we will get mu naught upon 4 pi I a upon x square plus a square to the power 3 by 2 into 2 pi a. Okay, so now cancel pi to pi and this a into a square. So b equal to mu naught I a square upon 2x square plus